video walkthrough of mini CTF 0x01 given by RESETHACKER community. So let's begin. I have all the challenges given in the CTF in my local directory or local PC. These are the two challenge files. So let's move on to the directory, and I am making it in my home directory using export. Okay, we have two files. Let's start with txt because it is a text file. We don't know what's containing what's inside mini, so let's start with txt. Okay, it gives us the flag hint, challenge hint. Let's see what it contains at its upper part. Okay, this is a challenge, that string, and it's look like base 64 and it is given as 64, and at the bottom it also says base 64 encoded. This is the easy one. Let's go to internet and solve this challenge. I am using Cyber Chef, one of my favorite, to decipher some decodes, encoded strings. I just forgot to copy the challenge string. Here we go. So as it starts with equals to, and hint is given that base 64 ends with equals to symbol or sign, or we have to reverse it. I'm using Cyber Chef reverse tool. It reverses the string, and now it's look like more like base 64. So now next part is base 64. We found the warm-up flag, a warm-up challenge flag, and a zip file password. And this is the main challenge, the mini CTF one. This is only for warm-up. So let's unzip it. Okay, ask for password. We have the password CTF. Let's move on to mini one. Okay, we have 5 folders and 1 file. It's also a text file, so we just have to get it, and let's see what it contains. Okay, this is MD5 values of every challenge flags. There may be a chances of getting multiple flags, so it is given to compare our findings. Flag format is mini CTF. Okay, just copying it out and making a note with atom. Need of that. It's the welcome guide. Okay, this is our file, and make it solve dot markdown md. Okay, let's begin with the challenges. First one is challenge 1. Okay, it contains only one file, flag.txt, and size of file is very huge. Let's see what it contains first. So its greater is very huge, so I'm using head. Okay, I guess it contains only one line, that's why it's been so much of. Okay, it looks like binary, so we just have to have alias with C, which copies out the terminal output. I'm using another online tool, decoder, and to use it I have to use en for English for better understanding. Let's see what we can do with binary. Firstly, it says that we can convert binary into image. Let's try it first. Okay, let's look at some QR. Nothing. Okay, here we go. We got an image. Let's look like QR. Save it in our challenge directory. It's a QR, so I am naming it QR. And I'm using another web tool, web QR, something like this. Let's see if the online tool is available or not. Okay, here it is. We have a file, so here it is. It's giving us the flag. Let's check, is it the main flag or not. I'm using Linux inbuilt tools, command combination echo -n for no new lines or /n in the end, and md5 sum. It converts our echoed data which we are echoing and converts into md5 hash. Okay, hash starts with 50 and ends with 0a, and it's the same. So we found our first challenge solution. So the solution we did is, we used first, we cat it out and use this tool. So first we did this, and what it did, it converts, or we can say binary, to qr.png. and just making note. After that we use another online tool, webqr.com, and it converts our qr.png into flag, and after that we got our flag. Okay, first one is completed.